Hey guys, what's up? It's Lindsay again. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing such a good thrift haul. Like, I'm so excited to show you guys these pieces. These pieces are mostly from my small town thrift stores, so I don't really do a thrift with me in there just because it's like, I don't want to like expose what they look like. Just like, you know, that kind of Value Village looks the same in any Value Village, but like small town thrift stores, I just don't want to expose where I am. Yeah, if you're new here, leave a subscribe. I do a lot of thrifting content, and if you love thrifting, I'm sure we'll get along, so stick around. But yeah, let's just get right into the haul. First thing I got was this t-shirt, and it says Les Filles. Just a nice like baggy t-shirt to just have. That's like a cute little graphic. So I thought I'd wear this because I feel like being comfortable right now. Okay, that's the first thing I got. First thing I got, winter accessories, another pair of earmuffs. Honestly, I have had such good luck finding earmuffs at the thrift store. These ones, the only thing, I literally can't hear anything when I have them on. They're really like warm, but they're so interesting. They just like turn, like these things turn in. So this is really nice and sturdy, and they're brown and they go with my hair. I'll just go through all my winter accessories actually. I found this scarf. Yeah, I just love the colors and I feel like it would just go with a lot. I love skinny scarves for 2022 and winter. I think they just add like a pop of color to an outfit. If you find like a cute like striped one like this, throw over any outfit really. Okay, and then I found, I'm not the biggest fan of hats. If you know me, you know that. If you watch my videos, you probably know that. But I found this really cute little white hat. I don't know how I feel about it yet, but I thought it would be cute. It's kind of itchy. It was like $3 at Value Village, but it's fine. I'll see if I wear it at all. Next item, I found this really soft, like I think someone probably knitted this. It's this beautiful green color though, and it's just like the perfect like length and style, and like I could like easily be warm enough with it if I wrap it around multiple times, and I think this would just elevate any, like so good with like an all white outfit or something. I'm really trying to elevate, or I'm not even me trying to elevate anything. I've just found this and I was like, oh, that would be interesting. So it's like this like puffer scarf thing. It has like a hole that it like goes through, and it's like super warm and interesting. I'm just like, how do I wear it? Like, would I wear it like this and have a coat over top? It's just like super puffy, but since it's like a puffer thing, I'm like, that's kind of interesting. It was like $3 at Value Village. It's the brand Gertex. I just thought it was so interesting. Nice blue color. I just love anything puffer right now, so maybe I can DIY something with that. I just had to get it. And then next thing I got my local thrift store was this coat. This was literally like $5. It's this beautiful white coat. It has like some weird stain on the arm. I don't even know. It just looks like discolored. Maybe I could spot remove it. But it's just so interesting. It has like these panels of fur, and it has pockets. It zips up. It's like a sweater jacket. I don't even know how to explain it. It's just so soft and comfortable, and it's actually super warm. It has this really nice lining. It's the brand Gallery, size small. I just really love the color, and I think it's just like the perfect comfortable coat to throw over anything if you just want to be comfy and like go out but still look fashionable in some aspect. And then I found these pants. They're by Laura Studio. They're size 6. I tried them on. They're like these velvet wide leg pants. They're high-waisted. The waist is a bit small, so I may like move the button. Because it's on this like, I don't know if you can see that, covered button on this like little outstrap thing, so I need to like move the button to the end, or because it's just a bit too tight. And the hem, I started to rip it apart because it was always somebody had hemmed it, so I was just trying to rip that off because it was a weird length. It was like right at my ankle and it just felt weird, so I think these should work. They're nice and stretchy and comfy, and I just love the velvet. I think they just add like a nice textural element to an outfit. And then I found this denim skirt. See, I've been on the hunt for a long denim skirt for the longest time. I really like the stitching on this. I wish it was like a more of a hard denim. Like, as you can see, it's kind of stretchy, which doesn't fall the best. Like, just hard denim, it just looks the best when it's like baggy and like low rise. I find I don't really like stretch denim. This one's by Volt. That's the tag, which is cute. It has a slit in the back. It fits high-waisted, which is like for like this kind of skirt. I wanted it to be like baggy and mid-rise, but I'll take it. It was like $7 at Value Village, and I've just been on the hunt for a long denim skirt for the longest time. Like, when you're like on the hunt for one thing forever at the thrift store and you find something similar, you just like have to buy it because you've just been searching forever. And then I got this knit sweater thing. It's from Old Navy. It's like this like little, it's not that stretchy, which is kind of annoying, but it has these super cute little pockets, which I love this detail. And the zipper's silver, which, oh no, it's gold. I don't know, it's kind of like tarnished, but, and then it has a hood, which I think is so cute. Really comfortable, but again, it has a textural element to it, and this will look super cute with like jeans, any like mini skirt, or just like something casual but still textural, as I mentioned. So I was really excited about that. And then I got this just yesterday actually. I got this silk pinstripe shirt. Kind of looks like a pajama shirt, but it's a silk shirt. It's by the brand NWD, New Woman Design. It looks fairly like new in production. Obviously it looks, I don't know, I have a like cream colored silk shirt that I wear all the time. I just love how it fits, and this one like fits like fitted and nice, and I think it would just be a good layering piece, like with a vest over this, a mini skirt or something, or just this thrown over, just a casual outfit. I think, again, textural element, and I think the pinstripes are very classy. Okay, and I had to include these because I've been wanting these forever, for a long time, and I've been scouring the internet, and I needed like good winter boots. So these aren't just like for fashion purposes. This is how I'm trying to justify it. I need like winter boots because I live in Canada. Like, it's just hard to find a winter boot that's cute and functional. So I got moon boots. I'm obsessed. Look at this sole. I got the black and white ones. I was looking at the all black ones, but I could not find them anywhere. So I got these ones. They say moon boot. They're white and black. They're so comfy. These are the size. Okay, sizing's super weird with moon boots. Let me tell you. I got these on Holt Renfrew. Free shipping in Canada. These are size 39-41. I thought that meant size 9 to 10.5, but it means size 7 to 8.5 because they range like 3 sizes per moon boot size. But I'm glad I got the smaller size because I'm a size 9 most of the time in shoes, and these like go up to an 8.5 and they actually fit perfect, and they're a bit loose without socks even. So if you're like in between sizes, like I'm a size 9 and I went down to the 7 to 8.5, definitely size down, because if they're too big, obviously they're not comfy, but obviously you don't want shoes to be too small. But since these are like multiple sizes in one size, definitely size down if you're between sizes, or at the bottom end of like a size, like if you were like a size 7, size down to like the 6.5 size. But I am just obsessed. I think they're just the perfect. I know they're functional as well because I go skiing and live in Canada, as I said. I needed to justify that for myself, but I think they elevate really any outfit. I know they're like kind of trendy right now, but I honestly bought them as like an investment purchase. But I think they're just very unique and fun to style, and like having a neutral color like these are just like make it way better. They're like a basic boot that you could just incorporate to any outfit really, which makes it sustainable and better for my wardrobe. Obviously invest in pieces that you're going to wear multiple times. With that being said, these were not thrifted. I bought these, as I said, on Holt Renfrew. But I hope you guys enjoyed this thrift haul. I'm gonna have more thrift with me, so you guys seem to like those videos the best. So definitely gonna be doing more of those. But yeah, that's my thrift haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. And please leave video requests down below if you have any. That would help me out a lot. Okay, bye guys.